My name's Joanne. I am a police officer, doing that 6 years now. I like the lifestyle. I like the excitement, the thrill. 4 or 5 months ago, I got hit with a stray bullet, pinched my optic nerve, and I am now what they call legally day blind. I'm just looking for somebody to have fun with, somebody caring, clean. Likes or doesn't like animals. It doesn't. I'm on the fence. Neat. Likes sports, doesn't love sports. Gotta be a strong swimmer. Meat eater. He's gotta have a healthy appetite. I'm a heck of a cook. Runner's body, not necessarily a runner. That's pretty much it.